If you have hundreds or even thousands of customers and you want to market your business on WhatsApp, then you are in the right place, because in today's tutorial I'll show you how to build your very first WhatsApp marketing campaign from scratch and send it the right way without getting your WhatsApp number banned. So don't worry if you are completely new to WhatsApp marketing. This tutorial is specially designed for beginners. I'll explain everything step by step, from creating your first campaign to sending it professionally using WhatsApp broadcast. We'll also understand why businesses use WhatsApp marketing, its biggest advantage, and the best practices you should follow before sending your campaigns. So by the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to create and send your own WhatsApp marketing campaign with confidence. Now, before we start creating our campaign, let me show you how a professional WhatsApp broadcast campaign actually looks. As you can already see on your screen, I have already created a campaign before. It includes an attractive image, a promotional message, and quick buttons. Once I send this campaign, it is automatically delivered to all the contacts that I have selected for this broadcast. And not only this, the customer will interact that message as well. Whenever they click on Yes Book Now button or Show Offer, immediately an automated WhatsApp chatbot takes over the conversation. But in this tutorial, our main focus is only on WhatsApp broadcast campaign, so I'm going to tell you about that only. Now, before we create our first WhatsApp marketing campaign, let me show you the platform that makes all this possible, called Pabbly Chatflow. Using Pabbly Chatflow, you can create professional WhatsApp marketing campaigns, upload images, videos, documents, and send them to your customers in just few clicks. And the best part is you don't need any coding knowledge. Everything can be done using a simple beginner-friendly interface. So if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. And you know what is the best part? You can create this exact WhatsApp marketing campaign along with me while watching this tutorial using the Pabbly Chatflow free trial. And after trying the platform, if you find it useful and decide to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, after doing the sign up process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. All of these are incredibly amazing. But in this tutorial, we are going to design a WhatsApp broadcast campaign. So I'm directly going in this broadcast feature. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and this is the place from where you can create, manage, and send WhatsApp marketing campaigns to your customers. So instead of sending the same messages to each customers one by one, you simply create a single broadcast campaign, select the customers you want to send it to, and Pabbly Chatflow automatically delivers your message to all of them. See, businesses use this feature for many purposes, such as announcing new product launches, promoting special offers and discounts, sending festival wishes, inviting customers to events, and much more. See, another great advantage of the broadcast feature is that you can create professional looking WhatsApp messages by adding images, videos, documents, and personalized text. This makes your marketing campaigns more attractive and increase the chances that customer will read and interact with your message. Now that you have understood what the broadcast feature is and why businesses use it, let's start the creation of our first WhatsApp marketing campaign. So see, for creating a new broadcast, you need to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Enter the name of the broadcast in this field. Here I enter name as discount alert. After that, in this field, you need to select the contact list to which you want to send a broadcast message that I am selecting as leads list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can create a contact list. So for that, there's one interesting feature of Pabbly Chatflow called contacts that are present on the left hand side menu. See, this is the contacts feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and for adding a contacts, you need to click on this plus add contact button. You can also add contact one by one manually as well as add in bulk. For uploading in bulk, you need to upload the CSV file. Now, what is CSV file? So, CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file where I added my customer's first name, last name, and phone number. And look at the format. This is in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Google Sheets or Excel. Here I have added my customer's data inside Google Sheets. After adding it, you need to download the file in a CSV format because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. Means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For uploading a CSV file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file, and upload the file from your gallery. So here I have successfully uploaded. Next, click on this button, select the same contacts file from here and click on this insert button. After that, you just need to click on this import contacts button, and this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. And for creating a contact list, you need to click on this plus option. I have already created some contact list before, and in this tutorial, I'm going to use this leads list that I have selected here. After selecting the contact list, the next option is refine audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to send the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part, that is selection of message type. Here you will see two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send regular message from here by selecting this option and selecting the message type as well, but regular message is only sent when the 24-hour conversation window is active. Means the customer has already messaged you on your WhatsApp account within the last 24 hours. Then only you can send the regular message. But if you want to start some new conversation and you want to send a message to the new customer, then you can choose pre-approved template message. Here I am selecting the message type as pre-approved template message. After that, you need to select the WhatsApp template from here that I am selecting as discount alert. See, I have already created this template before. Now with this text, I want to add one image. For that, I'm clicking on this option and uploading this image from my gallery. Here I have selected, and this is the final look of the template that is going to be visible in front of your customer. After successfully selecting the template message, you need to click on this done button. Now for creating these types of attractive templates, you need to go in this templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow, as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. These are the predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. Here you can create multiple types of templates based on your different type of businesses and use it whenever and wherever you want. I have already created some templates before. For creating a new template, you need to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. See, templates are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. This is the discount alert template that we are using in this tutorial. After selecting the template, next I am going to test this broadcast. So for that, I am entering the contact name as test user and my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number, I'll click on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. Now let's check our WhatsApp to see whether whether we have received a message or not. See, immediately I received the exact same template on my WhatsApp, and look at the content as well as the image too. How attractive it is. So this means that till now our broadcast campaign is working perfectly. Moving forward, you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this templates to all of your contacts immediately, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But I'm going to schedule this broadcast campaign for later. So for that, I'm selecting this option, and let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 18 August at 2:50 p.m. See, on 18 August 2026 at 12:50 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts. See, next we have the automatic retry of failed contacts. Sometimes while sending a broadcast, a message may fail to reach a customer because of a temporary issue such as network problem or any other temporary error. So instead of leaving that message as failed, you can simply enable this toggle. After enabling it, you can select how many times Pabbly Chatflow should retry sending the message, and you can also specify the wait time between each retry. Here I am setting the number of retry as 1 and the waiting time will be 12. After that, I click on this plus add broadcast button. So that's it. Our WhatsApp marketing campaign is now completely ready. We have successfully created our broadcast, configured all the required setting, and it's now ready to be sent to our customer. And it is successfully scheduled on the date and the time that we want. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button below and export the report from here. So this is how easily you can broadcast WhatsApp campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And this is just one example. By doing the same steps, you can create multiple types of broadcast campaign based on your own business use case. Customize the content, create a template based on your own requirements, and run WhatsApp marketing campaign. So now I am going to end this tutorial. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.